Installing the front undercarriage, shock absorber decorative parts. 1. Use a wrench to remove the to-10 lock nuts on the front undercarriage, then take out the shock absorber spring without removing it. Next, insert the front undercarriage into the round tube and tighten the 10 lock nuts with a wrench. 2. Install the shock absorber decorative parts on the corresponding positions on both sides of the vehicle body using a Phillips screwdriver. Fix the shock absorber decorative parts with 4*12 round head self-tapping screws on each side. Installing the rear shock absorber cover. Install the rear shock absorber cover on the corresponding position at the back of the vehicle using 16 for *12 round head self-tapping screws, and then tighten and secure it with a Phillips screwdriver. 2. Install the rear drive motors on the rear axle node. Ensure that the markings L1, L2, R1, and A2 on the rear drive motor match the corresponding markings on the vehicle body for correct installation. 3. Install the rear wheels on the rear axle, placing an M10 flat washer and add 10 nuts on each side. Tighten the nuts with a wrench and snap the axle covers onto the rear wheels. Installing the steering wheel front bumper. 1. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 5*35 screw rod from the steering wheel. 2. Connect the wires on the steering wheel to the instrument panel wires, then install the steering wheel onto the steering rod and secure it by inserting the 5*35 screw rod back into the steering wheel and tightening it with a Phillips screwdriver. 3. Install the front bumper at the corresponding position on the front of the vehicle and secure it with 6*12 round head self-tapping screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Installing the seat support. Seat to seat backrest. 1. Install the seat support at the appropriate position under the seat. 2. Install the seat backrest at the corresponding position on the rear of the vehicle body. Installing the rear trunk base and rear view mirror. 1. First, install the rear trunk base at the corresponding position on the bottom of the rear trunk and secure it with 8*12 round head self-tapping screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Installing the rear spoiler front windshield. 1. Snap the front windshield into the corresponding position on the front of the vehicle.